Hey guys, before we get into the content for the day, I just wanted to quickly remind you of the huge giveaway we're doing for the launch of our new company, Transform Trading. We want you to come join us for free at the launch of our company on November 1st, simply by entering into the contest. Go check the description out for the link and all the instructions you need, and hope you're trading with us starting next month. All right, guys, let's get into the content for the day. What's up, boys and girls? Old Uncle Two back with you once again. So let's get into a weekly market outlook for the week of October 22nd, 2022. If you don't know my larger degree looks on these charts, I'll leave links in the description so that you can go ahead and check those out. So for now, suffice to say, I have told you, if you caught our live stream last week, that I'm long bias. And if you caught my last S&P video, I told you I was ready to go long. Here, so, and of course here is what I told you on the live stream, and here we are. We're really running up against some resistance, but my expectation is that we will break through and then make the current trade target of about let's say around 3,800, and I think we'll continue to the upside around to the level of 3,900. However, I am not fully bullish. As you can see, I have the larger degree wave here labeled as corrective in nature, and so far we're playing out this way. Of course, our mind can change in that regard depending on the form of this current wave, the way it plays out. However, my expectation at this moment is that we will form a double zigzag. 1, 2, 3, W. So A, B, C, W. 1, 2, 3, X, A, probably around to here, B, C, W, X, Y, to this level-ish. Like I said, that puts us around the range of 3,900. I do believe that we will remain internal to this pitchfork. If we break out, I still will not necessarily turn my bearish macro perspective to bull unless we were to break out of this downtrend channel. And then, of course, test, retest, and hold. So that is my outlook on Bitcoin. Thursday, it was in real time at this low. I told you how you could really crank this into a low risk, high probability, not high probability, well, the probability, we went over that in the live stream. Check it out. But I showed you how you could crank this into a low risk, high reward trade, so that even if you were hurt, it wouldn't hurt much, and your winnings could still be quite a bit higher than usual. That's what we try to do here at Transform Trading, is transform your trading. So far, if you were on that advice, you are doing well. All right, let's get over to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, basically, there are people out there calling for the low to be in. I don't see this at all to be the case, unfortunately. There are those that are trying to call this price action from here an ending diagonal. It is certainly not an ending diagonal that has come to resolution. Therefore, I do believe we have lower price in front of us. However, if you listen to the live stream again last week, you were long based exactly on this scenario here. Exactly where I told you you could get long, and I told you it was even better than the S&P trade, and it was. Of course, we got through the 65, but that's not really the important part. The important part was the low side channel test, and of course it depends on the exchange that you were on the depth from a Fibonacci perspective. And then now we are breaking out of the corrective channel of this move. So now I feel strongly that we will continue to the top side of the trading range, at least to about $20,300. I wouldn't be shocked to see if we were to go a little higher, but I expect that will be around the top of this long trade. So bulls are on. We are trading long. However, in this area, top of the trading range, meeting resistance, we will look to potentially short, at least cover our longs. That is my outlook on Bitcoin for this week and S&P.